Machakos County is one of the most driest regions in Kenya. A joke about a very known song we used to joke in high school. Look at these empty lands. Do you see anything to smile about? Forget about my voice and focus on today's video. In reality, there are people that have gone through every possibilities in this area. I mean dry Josker, beautiful lands, dry with very much to offer. Inasmuch as this region is unbearable and scorching as it may, it provides natural energy. Solar panels are rampant in Machakos and provide natural energy from the rays of the sun. Here, it could reach up to 40 degrees Celsius. The solar panels are also used to pump water from the dug wells that are a depth of up to 200 meters. Don't bother doing the maths, those are 200-meter fields. Cabbages and animal rearing is the most common practice in Josker. In most recent years, there have been industries lacking about the nomadic region. Needless to say, these industries have led to massive employment opportunities. As we speak, there is a road connecting through from Kangundo Road to Athi River. In today's video, we are going to focus on one of the most popular factories that produces manures. They use worms and human feces to speed up decomposition in silos laid in the open and then covered with polythene sheets. These sheets, in return, provide warmth and moisture. This makes the worms really active. All garbages or most garbages are collected around Nairobi and its outskirts and brought here for manure manufacturing. They include rotten cabbages, mangoes, avocados, and many more. Human refuse is also collected from around Nairobi and brought here by exhausters. Feces contains worms, and worms are a good catalyst when it comes to decomposition. I was surprised to be told that some worms are a delicacy to our chickens. In other terms, they also produce chicken feeds from worms. These ponds contain the soil worms
really
for manure manufacture and chicken feeds produce.
Just sewage.
The structures you see are used to curb excess water and also reduce overflowing from well-laid trenches and channels.
They even allow animals to come and probably feed. I believe they don't drink this water. I wouldn't let my animals drink this water. It's very smelly. Yeah.
Seemingly, what I could not comprehend though was why the water changed into red.
Kuna ndege zinakaa probably pelicans, I don't know, but they're so big.
On my way back, I had to show you the road I was talking about. This road is going to connect Joska to Athi River. It is going to act as a bypass.
So, I think they collect maram from these sides and put them on the roads. This one here looks like a stagnant water. There are also bees. So those
It's very beautiful how a man can ruin a place but make it look beautiful either way. Ironical. I cannot imagine how many tons of dirt they excavated from this place. I can also clearly see tracks of cattle coming to drink water. And this is very dirty water, but they drink it anyway. Stagnant water such as these ones are rampant with female Anopheles mosquitoes. And this looks like a cooking place. Some people cook here. This is the last village resort and lodge. Tourists that visit this area frequently visit this hotel. In the next few years, we could see businesses mushrooming in this region, because right now there are better roads being made or constructed, and also sewages lining. A road leading to the resort is a rough road, but I believe in the next few years it's gonna be better. These bareless and occupied lands can be purchased through hire purchase and also monthly installments. Rai Joska is also filled with most beautiful exotic plants that are coherent to this arid area. This tree here has adapted to its environmental torture. Nevertheless, it produces beautiful flowers that oozes amazing scents in the air that attract birds. They now have food as a result. These kind of trees have roots deep down in the soil searching for water and minerals. The roots could grow downwards to a depth of 50 meters. That is equivalent to a half marathon field. You can also equate it to our own fastest man in Africa, Ferdinand Omanyala of Kenya, 100 meters divided into two. I was really frustrated when I saw trees being cut down to produce charcoal. In an area such as this, You would expect people to plant more trees, but they are cutting them down. I mean, just look at this plant. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this tree. The flowers, they are so yellow. It's so green, you know. But it is adapted to this kind of environment, and it's still fighting for its life, sort of. This one is dried up, but it will grow. In our next episode of The Stool, we are going to visit farmers and see how plants have survived, and also see how they can survive in this kind of environment. This episode was directed by Kidin Maya, filmed and produced by Kidin Maya. See you then.